Hi everyone, this is Anne and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use conditional formatting, but we are going to apply the format on multiple cells. This is my second video, and if you have watched my first video, I showed you guys how to apply conditional formatting on specific cells. So for us to do that, we're going to highlight our table. That's the first step. And then click conditional formatting and choose manage rules. Then you choose new rule and choose use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now what we want to happen is if the value here is equal to yes, we are going to apply a green background on these cells with black font. So we are going to click on the cell. Automatically you will see the equal sign, so there's no need for you to type equals. And then in order for Excel not to lock it on this cell, because every time you see a $sign, $, then the row number, that means it's just locking or it's just going to follow whatever you have on that particular cell. So we will remove this. And by removing that, that means that if the value here is equal to yes, we're going to have a green background here with black font. If this is no, we're going to have a red background with white font. Okay, so I'll now put the equal sign. I'll type yes and format. I'm going to choose light green. It's for the font. That's on automatic, which means that's already black, so there's no need for us to change it. Then we just have to click OK, then click another OK. So this is our first rule. We're going to add another rule, so you click new rule again, then choose use a formula to determine which cells to format. Format values where this formula is true, so you click the same cell, and again you remove the $sign before the number 2, then you put equals, then type no and format it. So click format. For the color, let's change it to white. For the fill, let's choose red, and then just click OK. So on your conditional formatting manager or conditional formatting rules manager, you should see 2 rules. First is the red background with white font, and the second one is light green background with black font. So that's for our no and for our yes. And then you just have to click OK. So that means if the value here is equal to no, Excel will give us a red background with white font, but if the value here is equal to yes, we'll have a green background with black font. So I hope that you enjoy the video, and I hope that if you like the video, you will click the like button, and thank you for watching.